So today I was looking online for some big data and I got this file. This is a huge file and it has a size of around 200 MB, and it's basically the review and comments from the viewer, like Amazon user or clients. So I was looking at that and I thought of doing some operation on that by using Spark API. So we will be using the RDDs. Basically, we are not using the Spark SQL right now. And what my first target is to know how many words this file contains. So let's start coding. So first we need to, as usual, create the config, and we can have a new Spark config, and we can have a set app name and give any name like word count. And what we can do here is set master, and what we can do here is we can set local, and this is master. Now we have to create the Java context as always. So we will create the context, and here we will create the object of it, and we'll pass the config. Now what we want to do, so we have used the wrong name here. Okay, sorry for that mistake. And now I just wanted to read that file. So from context I just wanted to give the file or text file path, and which is source main sourcetest dot now it returns the java rdd of string obviously, and rdd. And now we have all the lines in this RDD, but I want to split it and creates a word out of it. Before that, we can close the context, close, and by doing so, what we can do is like we can have another RDD of a string only. So let's name it RDD1. I'm not thinking about the RDD because I just wanted to do the fastest implementation possible for doing those tasks. So now we can have rdd dot flat. I am flatting it so that I can create a new with a list of words. So it's basically we are flatting and arrays dot, okay, sorry. So flatting it and arrays dot as list, and here what we can do is k dot split, and splitting with the space, as we know that different words comes, and we can use iterator to collect it. Now we have a words I in RDD1. Now what I can do, I just wanted to count, so we can simply use one method from RDD1 and count it. If I run it, it will give a count of this. So if you want to check, we can run and check. But before that, it is taking time because, as I have already told you, it loads a lot of things before doing so. But in real time, it's directly start processing your task. So we have this huge numbers of files. If you want to count, you can stay there and count like what is the number. uh, but let's say I just wanted to know what is the distinct number of words they have used. So there is a distinct method also. You can explore the methods by yourself. There is nothing huge in that. We have only written 4 or 5 lines of codes, and still we are able to operate on that 200 MB of data. In future we will try to add some more big data, and I'll try to operate it in my local machine, but I don't know how much file my local machine will handle. So this is the distinct data. Now we all know like there was a huge difference between the distinct data and the real word count and the distinct count. So I just wanted to know the top 100 words used in this file, like mostly top 100 words. There is no purpose like I can print all the lakhs of data or 10 lakhs or something was there, but I won't be able to see it, so I will just try to take top 100 from that. So here now what we need to do is like we need to create a Java pair RDD, and here I want to have the string type and integer type, and prdd1, I just wanted to get with this rdd1 dot map to pair, and here we can simply return a new tuple, and tuple belongs to Scala. So if you want to know about tuple, you can Google it, string integer, and here I want to put the k and 1 for each. So for it is the map type, so key will be the string and all the key will be mapped with the value 1 in, and we can simply import the tuple. Now we have to, what we have to do is we have to create one more pair from that. So it's a second one, and now prdd1 dot, what I want to do is reduce by key, and it will be having v1 value 1 and value 2. So it will be reducing the on the basis of the uh, words, like if the similar words are there, it will be removing it, and it will be keep on summing up the values, value keys values. So now we'll be having an string and integer. Now we have our data, we got all the key and value pair there, but now if I print, it is not sorted. So I want to see the top most used word, 100 used word. So for that I have to shuffle it, and first I need to sort, but you can find like prdd2 has sort by key, but for now, and it takes by default it's ascending, so you have to put false so that it will keep the highest used word on the top. But if you see it, it's a sort by key, not by value. So first of all we have to create like we have to swap both the key and value in the tuple, and for that we can use prdd2 dot what we can do, map to pair again, and we can return new tuple 2, and it's a k dot to second method, and it's a k dot first one. Now we have swapped it successfully, I guess. Yeah, so we have to use the sort by key on this, and again the sort by key will return the Java pair RDD only, so we'll capture that pair also. So now we have, this is the fourth object. Okay, so what shall I need to do? So what is this? Okay, I have to integer because I'm swapping, so this might cause error and would have wasted a lot of time there. So I'm lucky I got this at time. I got that mistake. So now here also we have to change the generics because we have reversed the key value pair, and here we have uh, sorted it. Now prdd4 dot take how many hundreds, we want to take only hundreds, and it's by taking hundreds also returns a list of tuple. So on list we can use the for each, and we can simply system dot out dot println, and we can check our 100 data. We have a very little time, less for 10 minutes. So let's say now it's calculating, and it is taking quite time because it has to do a lot of shuffling, but I'm pretty much positive like we can achieve it in time. So this is it. If you check, this is our data, top mostly used words in 10 minutes, mostly used 13 something like that. You can analyze it in your own time. Thank you very much.